What's up guys? Today's video ay i-vlog ko ang isa sa bahay dito sa Jimenez, Misamis Occidental. At itong bahay na to ay 110 years na but still exists. Alright? And okay, let's go! Meron lang po akong i-share na konting history po dito. At sana panoorin nyo hanggang dulo. Okay?
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. If all the things.
The Bacaro Takan Heritage House was built in 1914. A Victorian-inspired Art Deco of modern architecture, crafted during the American occupation. Rosito Zea Bacaro from Taguluan, Misamis Oriental, came to Jimenez and married Arsenia Takan, a native from Jimenez, where they built and resided in this beautiful house. The house was originally made of first-class concrete at the ground floor and hardwood for most parts of the second and the third floors. Before the outbreak of the Second World War, Mr. Bacaro owned a printing press that operated at the ground floor of this building. During the war, the Japanese forces made forcible entry and occupied the house, causing a notable damage on the right side of the upper door using a bayonet. The family escaped to the mountains as the Japanese forces began to establish control in most parts of the province and throughout Mindanao. By instructions of General Douglas MacArthur through Brigadier General Wendell W. Fertig, Commanding General of the United States Forces in the Philippines, or USFIP, Mindanao Sulu Command, an order was made for the Currency Committee to authorize the printing of the Misamis Occidental Emergency Circulating Note issues of 1942. The original printing press.
A few moments later.
At ito naman yung sample ng printing press, guys. And the 1917 cash vault containing a few bundles of printed money were recovered but were ultimately sold by his descendant to his historians and collectors. Noong 1998, ang bahay na ito ay naging site ng film production na pinamagatang Bawal, isang adult movie na pinagbidahan ng ilang sikat na artista na sina Gardo Versosa at Aya Midel sa direksyon ni Cesar Evangelista ng Regal Home Video Productions. In 2005, the property was acquired by Aldrin Takan Nacion, a distant relative of the first wife of Rosito Z. Bacaro. The ground floor was utilized as a commercial space for rent, while the second floor being a residence of the new owner and the third floor occupied by a church organization. On August 2023, Aldrin Takan Nacion signed a joint venture agreement with the Philippine Cultural Heritage Research and Development Foundation Incorporated for the purpose of opening the house as a center for cultural studies and heritage preservation for the Filipino people. And shoutout po muna kay Jonita May Fuertes and Winsay Returcan. Thank you so much, guys.
Alright.